In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Bitcoin.com wallet Android app. So if you have been receiving a lot of notifications and these notifications are annoying, you can go ahead and stop them for once and for all. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to show you using a Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to get started, we need to access the info page of this app. Now, there are two ways you can do it. First, you can go through settings. If you go ahead and tap on settings, scroll down and then look for the option called apps. Now, under apps, look for the option called all apps or manage apps depending on your version. And then this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now, go ahead and search for your app. And as you can see, mine is here. So I'll go ahead and tap on it to open. And now you can see we are on the app info page. Now, if that process was long, let me show you the shortcut method to get here. In the shortcut method, just go to the app. And then while on the app, go ahead and long press on it. And now you'll see this option called app info. So if you go ahead and tap on app info, it will take you to the same page. Scroll down until you get to this section called notifications. Currently, the reason why I'm getting notifications is because my notifications are turned to yes. And if I go ahead and tap on it, now you can see there are a lot of notification permissions that have been allowed on this app. To turn them off, instead of turning one by one here, just go on and turn off show notifications here by toggling this button. And now all the notifications will be turned off. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive those pop-up notifications from Bitcoin.com wallet app. So that's how you permanently stop pop-up notifications from Bitcoin.com wallet. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.